Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A very warm welcome to one and all present here today for the second session of Yuva Darbar. I would like to first thank everybody who has been participating in this initiative of a virtual platform for the next generation performers, and also all the audience who have been encouraging by being there during the live virtual performances. I'm sure every performer appreciates the audience too. The objective of this initiative is not only a stage for performers and new talents, but also an opportunity for us to give the children the exposure to sit and listen or watch someone perform on a stage. Because I feel that it's equally important for us to teach the kids to appreciate a talent on stage too. With no further delay, let's get into today's performance. In the second session of Yuva Darbar, I would like to introduce you all to the performer of the day, Ms. Madhurya Murali. She is from Chennai. And this teenager is a wonderful talent, and she is going to display to us today some of the film music, Indian film music, through her keyboard performance. To mention about Madhurya's talent on keyboard, she is a self-taught keyboard player, though she had taken an initial lessons in keyboard. Right now, she is exploring the instrument and music on her own. She also likes to listen to different genres of music, contemporary, hip hop, and Indian film music, and many other genres. So I hope we will all have a great time listening to what Madhurya has in store for us today. Without any further delay, here we have Ms. Madhurya Murali. Madhurya, the stage is yours.
So hello, I am Madhurya Murali, again as she said, from India, Chennai. So before any performance, I would like to thank the Money Music team and Mrs. Madhuri for giving me this platform. So it's been a really long time since I last played the keyboard. So I think this is an opportunity for me to redevelop the bond between me and the keyboard and the love for it. So once again, thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm sure that I'll use this and I'll keep this in mind even in the future also. So thank you so much, Mrs. Mani, for giving me this platform. So I think we'll get into the performance. So the first set of songs will be Pony Po and Sundari Kanal, Ninetha Ninetha Varta and O Butterfly. So this will be the first. Thank you so much, and that's it for the first set. And the next one will be from people, and this is obviously in Hindi song, so like this. Thank you so much. And that was the second song from me too. And moving on to the next one. So this is kind of a medley. So it has the songs Patta Mudanale, Varayo Varayo, and Kanvalirilla. So here we go.
ಕಷ್ಟನೇ
ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ
ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಇರ್ತೀರ
and what's the third set? Memory. So,
Sorry to interrupt you, Madhurya. Before Madhurya continues, just request everyone to please check if your audios are muted. Because when we unmute, it disturbs the performer's focus as well. So all of you, whoever has attended, please check if your audios are muted. Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll leave it to you, Madhurya.
thank you so much. So, moving on to the next song, that is, we're going to the finale. So, this is the full song that I'm going to be doing. So, this is 2 ways and 2 ways. So, I hope you all enjoy it. So, yeah, here we go. Thank you so much. And of course, 2 ways and 2 ways. So, moving on to the next, that is the last song of my performance. So, this is Mundinam Partene, and I hope you all are very aware of it. And so, here we go. me, and thank you so much for once again, and thank you, Mrs. Madhavi, for giving me this platform so that I can possibly provide you a, play this keyboard. So yes, thank you so much for coming today. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching me play the keyboard. So this means a lot to me, and I hope I do great in the following days with the keyboard itself. So I think I'll keep going on. So once again, thank you so much for giving me this platform. So I don't know, I can't thank enough for this. So yes, thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Madhurya. I think she deserves a big round of applause. We can all unmute ourselves and, clap for her and give her that feeling of a stage. Madhurya, genuinely, that was a wonderful performance. I have to mention one point here. I wanted to tell that while I was introducing Madhurya. Madhurya is a self-taught keyboard player. So, it really amuses me that this child has so much talent. I wish her good luck, and I really hope that she takes this talent to the next level. And we hope to see much more wonderful performances again on this stage and on bigger stages, Madhurya. Very good luck to you for a bright future. I'll open the meeting for anybody to convey their wishes and comments to the performers. If anyone wants to talk, you are open. You can unmute yourselves and please share your reviews. If you can just mention your name before you talk anything, the rest of them will be able to follow it. Okay, I think everyone is dumbstruck, right? To share, to talk right away. We'll give them some time to settle down. Madhurya, once again, thank you so much. Thank you everybody for taking time to motivate such talents here. Thank you once again for joining us during the weekend. Thank you.
This was very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank.
Hello.
Yes, please.
It's thank Madhavi for arranging this type of meeting to encourage buds to get into this type of talents and develop this talent. Really, I should appreciate the way conducted. And it gives a very good confidence for the buds and those students come out with their real talent and really we should thank you for the arrangement. And of course, Madhurya Murli also has played nicely and without any inhibition, really they should, we should appreciate her for their skills. But one thing I would like to share with all the students who are listening to this is always you have to give good training. You should train well, and definitely there is a lot of things. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Oh, nice. Madhurya, see, such a great compliment for you from the youngest audience today. She says she likes your music.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It was really nice. She played very well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. So I will be uploading this recording on YouTube as well. You are most welcome to share it. So